KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 24th of October. I'm James Spann, obviously on the road this morning. I'll be back in the office this afternoon. Alabama's weather will stay dry today, but rain comes back tomorrow. Let's take a look at things. This is the upper air look across North America this morning. Still got troughing over the eastern states, keeping temperatures a little below average. High clouds are over the southern half of the state, but again, the low levels are fairly dry. Temperatures this morning are pretty cold up north with 20s and 30s. We have mostly 40s for North Alabama this morning. High should be in the low 70s in most spots today. Pretty quiet around the nation as the day begins. Winter storm warnings for parts of Maine, flash flood watches for parts of Texas, and that's about it. And obviously, with a stable air mass over much of the country, severe storms not a problem. But keep in mind, our fall tornado season is about here. That's in November and December. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west is fairly dry except for around Seattle. The east fairly wet. In Alabama, rain amounts about 1/2 to 1 inch. And we'll see a batch of rain tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and Friday morning. Maybe a little light rain over the weekend, probably not much then. Off in the tropics, a little disturbance in the Atlantic might try and get its act together. This might become a tropical or subtropical type depression in the next 5 days, but most likely it stays far from land at this point. We'll keep an eye on that. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06E run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Got troughing over the northeast, and shortwave energy is coming down through Texas. And again, for us, the day will be dry. We'll call it partly sunny with low 70s. We note that surface low beginning to form in the far western Gulf. Tomorrow, the surface low is around New Orleans, and rain spreads in here. The day will be cloudy. It's going to be a cool day. We'll be in the 50s all day, and rain will likely arrive at some point midday, early afternoon. That rain becomes widespread tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. And then Friday, the rain will be ending during the morning. The day Friday will be cloudy, cool. The high will be close to 60. Looks like the rain should be out of the state probably by maybe mid-morning for most places. Saturday, as the weekend begins, an upper trough is going to be coming down through the state, but at this point it looks like the air will be too dry for any significant rain. We'll say a mixture of clouds and sunshine, maybe more clouds than sun, with a high in the low 60s, a cool day. And then Sunday, the next little feature, almost like a clipper system, is north and west of the state. And again, that could bring some clouds in here and maybe a touch of light rain. Again, this is Sunday at midday. We're dry. Sunday evening, this is suggesting a band of showers passing through. Maybe Sunday evening or Sunday night. Limited moisture, not much rain. And then Monday, that feature is on to the east. We're cool. Maybe some lingering light rain in the morning, especially up in the Tennessee Valley. Tuesday, we're cool and dry. And a week from today, Halloween, Wednesday, October 31st. Troughs to the east and west, and again, we have a dry air mass in place. So at this point, Halloween looking cool and dry, lows in the 40s, highs in the upper 60s. Let's go out 10 days. Friday of next week, the 2nd of November. Big trough axis to the west, and if that's right, that could be a bit wet. Here are the numbers. Generally speaking, temperatures below average. Highs most days in the 60s, lows most days in the 40s, but again, we might see some 30s back in here by about Tuesday morning of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here, back in Birmingham by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.